As we age, muscle loss becomes a common issue that many of us face. In fact, by the time we hit our 70s, we can lose as much as 30% of our muscle mass. But here's the shocking truth. It's not just aging that causes this decline. It's what we're missing in our diet. That missing piece? Protein. Studies show that seniors often don't consume enough protein to maintain muscle health. While we hear about the importance of protein for athletes, it's just as crucial for older adults. Without enough protein, your body can't repair muscles or build new ones effectively, leading to weakness, frailty, and an increased risk of falls. So, how much protein do you really need? The general recommendation for adults over 65 is around 1 to 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. That means a 150-pound senior should aim for around 68 to 82 grams of protein each day. But don't just reach for any protein source. Lean meats, eggs, legumes, dairy products, and fish are packed with the essential amino acids your body needs to keep muscles strong. You could also add a protein-rich snack, like Greek yogurt or a protein shake to your day. Don't let your muscles fade away. Nourish your body with the protein it craves and feel stronger and more energized as you age. Muscle health isn't just for the young, it's for everyone. Share this to help others maintain their strength too.